Gentlemen, what if I told you that the constant pressure in your lower belly, the sleepless nights running back and forth to the bathroom, and the slow fade of your energy are not an unavoidable part of getting older? What if I told you there is one simple herbal tea that can begin shrinking an inflamed prostate in as little as 18 hours? I'm not talking about another prescription or some risky procedure. I'm talking about something you can pick up at any grocery store, something you may have enjoyed for years without realizing it holds the power to change your daily life. My name is Dr. Ross. For more than 30 years as a men's health specialist, I've sat across from thousands of men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, and watched them reclaim their freedom, their comfort, and their vitality. I've seen them do it not by adding more pills to the cabinet, but by making small strategic changes that allow the body to heal itself. Here's the part that still surprises many of my patients. This herbal tea works not just on your prostate, but on your heart, your brain, your circulation. It calms inflammation, restores healthy flow, and supports the strength every man deserves to keep. The medical journals confirm it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 7 powerful herbal teas that can protect and restore your prostate. Number 1 is the star of the game, so stick with me. Let's get started starting from number 7. 7 green tea. Green tea is a well-known beverage celebrated for its high concentration of antioxidants, which are vital in combating free radicals in the body. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and support overall wellness, making green tea an excellent complement to your daily health regimen. In addition, the natural compounds in green tea have been linked to improved cardiovascular health and metabolism. Incorporating green tea into your routine not only provides a gentle caffeine boost for a clearer mind, but also offers a host of benefits that extend well beyond just prostate health. Its subtle flavor and refreshing aroma make it a perfect starting point in our list of teas that may help soothe the symptoms of an enlarged prostate while contributing to a balanced, healthy lifestyle. 6 ginger tea. Ginger tea is more than just a warming, spicy beverage. It is a powerful natural remedy that has been used for centuries to alleviate a variety of health concerns. Known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties, ginger tea can play a significant role in soothing the urinary tract and easing the discomfort associated with inflammation. The bioactive compounds found in ginger help to stimulate circulation and support digestion, which in turn can reduce systemic inflammation for those experiencing the distressing symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Ginger tea provides a gentle yet effective way to relieve irritation and promote a smoother urinary flow. Its robust flavor also makes it a comforting option during colder days, adding both warmth and a healing touch to your daily health routine. 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming and soothing properties, making it a favorite among those seeking relaxation and relief from stress. Beyond its reputation as a natural sleep aid, chamomile tea offers significant benefits for reducing inflammation in the body. This gentle herbal infusion has been traditionally used to help ease various discomforts, including those related to the urinary system. Its natural compounds work to calm irritated tissues and promote a sense of well-being, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with the frequent discomfort of an enlarged prostate. The mild floral flavor of chamomile tea not only makes it a delightful beverage to enjoy at the end of a long day, but also serves as a natural remedy to help maintain a healthier urinary tract and overall balance in the body. 4. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a refreshing and invigorating herbal infusion that offers a myriad of benefits. Beyond its cool, minty flavor, this tea is celebrated for its ability to relax and soothe the muscles around the bladder and prostate, potentially easing the discomfort and urinary challenges associated with an enlarged prostate. The natural menthol found in peppermint tea works as a gentle muscle relaxant, which may help reduce spasms in the urinary tract and promote a smoother flow. Additionally, its aromatic properties contribute to a calming effect on the mind, making it an ideal beverage to enjoy during moments of stress or after a long day. Whether sipped hot or iced peppermint tea not only refreshes the senses, but also plays a supportive role in maintaining overall urinary tract health. 3. Nettle tea. Nettle tea is a time-honored herbal remedy known for its remarkable benefits in supporting urinary and prostate health, traditionally used to promote the elimination of toxins from the body. Nettle tea serves as a natural diuretic, which helps in flushing out excess fluids and irritants. This process not only aids in reducing inflammation, but also contributes to a more efficient urinary system. The blend of vitamins and minerals inherent in nettle leaves supports overall wellness, potentially alleviating the irritation and discomfort that often accompany an enlarged prostate with its earthy taste and soothing properties. Nettle tea is an excellent addition to your daily routine, offering a natural pathway to improved urinary health and a better quality of life. 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a vibrant and tangy beverage celebrated for its rich antioxidant content and its ability to support cardiovascular and overall health. The deep red color of hibiscus tea is a visual indicator of the potent anthocyanins it contains, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. For those dealing with an enlarged prostate, hibiscus tea offers the additional benefit of promoting healthy blood pressure levels and improved circulation, both of which are essential for optimal prostate function. It's pleasantly tart, not so flavorly. Delights the palate, but also serves as a refreshing and rejuvenating drink. Incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily regimen may help reduce systemic inflammation, contributing to a healthier urinary tract and an overall sense of well-being. 1. Saw Palito tea. Topping our list is Saw Palito, renowned for its exceptional potency in promoting prostate health. This herb infusion is derived from the berries of the saw palmetto plant, which have been used for generations as a natural remedy to address symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. Saw palmetto tea is particularly effective in balancing hormone levels and reducing inflammation, which can lead to a notable improvement in urinary flow and a decrease in discomfort. Its bioactive compounds work synergistically to alleviate the pressure on the urinary tract, making it a powerful ally for those experiencing frequent nighttime urination and other related issues. With its robust flavor and impressive health benefits, Saw Palito often stands out as a must-have addition to your daily routine, offering a natural approach to managing prostate health and enhancing overall quality of life. And there you have it, our carefully curated list of 7 teas that may help support your prostate health, from the subtle antioxidant boost of green tea to the robust healing properties of Saw Palito tea. Each of these herbal infusions offers its own unique benefits for managing the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Whether you prefer the calming embrace of chamomile, the refreshing zest of peppermint, or the tangy burst of hibiscus, incorporating these teas into your daily routine might just be the natural solution you have been seeking. If you found this video informative and helpful, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these natural remedies. Do not forget to subscribe for more in-depth insights and holistic health tips, and feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any Questions you might have, stay healthy, stay informed, and thank you.